So what are you doing?
Dude, I'm messing around with this new app. Look. I just shot you.
Stop.
I just shot you again.
Would you cut it out? Dude, okay, that's enough. I've had enough. Would you stop?
Fine, I'm done.
Finally. Would you stop?
Dude, I didn't do anything.
Whatever, man.
Dude, I'm telling you, I didn't do anything.
What are you talking about? Ah! Oh my gosh!
Dude, are you alright?
Oh my gosh!
What happened?
Oh, I got shot! Oh.
By the sound effect?
Yes, by the sound effect!
That's like the dumbest thing. Oh! Ooh! I just got shot in the butt! Dude, run! Dude, we just got attacked with sound effects?
Yeah.
But how is that even possible?
It doesn't matter. We have to fight back.
With what?
Sound effects. Ah! I don't have anything to use!
Dude, use your mouth! Dude, run! Ninjas. Stand behind